We're revisiting the face-off that's currently underway in Jammu. One army Jawan injured in Sunjwan military station, where we're seeing terrorists firing from a standoff distance right outside the base. Search operations on to locate those perpetrators. More details that are yet to be established in this case. Additional troops have been rushed in to aid the forces as terrorists right outside the base continue raining fire on the military personnel who are standing right at a distance. This is the information that we have here on one army Jawan who's been injured in Sunjwan military station in Jammu after terrorists have fired from a standoff distance right outside the base. Search operations now to locate perpetrators. More details currently awaited. Shivani Sharma, our correspondent, joining us for more on that. Shivani, please go on. We hear additional forces have been deployed to aid the military forces at this point. The standoff still continues.
See, Nabila, this is a firing incident that has happened right outside the Sunjwa army camp. That is a very important and a big army camp in Jammu city, where one Jawan has been injured in this firing, and police and army, they are already on the search operations for these, probably they are the terrorists. This happens to be a standoff firing that took place in the morning at around 11 a.m. where the gunshots were heard, and the terrorists have fled from that place. That's what the sources are revealing right now. But the army as well as the police, they've cordoned off this area and they are searching this whole area. We know that this is a very important military station, and in 2018 there were reports there was a major terror attack on this camp in Sunjwa, and the security in this area always remains high. It is a sensitive zone, but yet the firing took place from a distance. The snipers, they fired at the sentry post where one Jawan he's injured and he's already been taken for the treatment. The whole area is under search operations by the police as well as the army. There is no input on how many terrorists were these, how many people were these who have fired upon the sentry post here at Sunjwa camp. But this is a very important and a sensitive zone because this is an important army camp, and we see that there are enhanced deployments in the whole region in Jammu and Kashmir, especially after a lot of terror attacks have been happening in Jammu region especially, and also in the wake of upcoming elections out there. So this is an incident that has happened today where one soldier has been fired upon and he's injured. He's been taken to the hospital.
All right. If you could give us more, Shivani, on when did this begin? One of the army personnel who's injured, how serious is he? Give us more clarity on that.
See, we are waiting for more updates from the army. As of now, the sources have told us that this happened at around 11, where the gunshots were heard right outside, and the gate, which is also known as the Jammu Darbar gate of Sunjwa army camp. There, this firing took place, and one Jawan is injured in this firing. The army retaliates the very moment this kind of an attack happens, and as soon as the army reacted, the miscreants who were not very close to the gate, they were firing from a distance. As we are saying again and again, that this was a standoff firing incident where the snipers were firing on the sentry post. They fled, and after this the police and the army, which was already present there, it moved into action, and the search operations are going on because it's being said that these terrorists might be hiding in a place somewhere near to the Sunjwa camp, and this is a very sensitive zone. The firing incident has happened at around 11 when the gunshots were heard. As of now, no terrorist organization has taken any responsibility, or no such indications have come as of now. But certainly this is a terror attack that has happened, and this is a firing which has been done at the sentry post at Sunjwa camp in Jammu city, close to Jammu city, on the Jammu Darbar gate, where we have already seen that a lot of deployments are there. Further enhancements of deployment are happening there, Nabila, because we know that this is a sensitive area. In 2018 also there was a major terror attack that happened inside the camp, but as of now the sources have also revealed and confirmed that there is no intrusion inside the camp as of now, that's what we can say as per our sources. More details are awaited. The whole area has been cordoned off. The search operations are going on, not only by the army but also the police, which is there on high alert in Jammu region.
Would you be able to clarify, Shivani, if those terrorists are still lurking around the area, and is firing coming from their side still?
Nabila, see, this was a standoff firing incident. After the incident was reported at around 11 when the firing happened and the gunshots were heard. After that, there is no firing which is being heard from that area. But the police and the army personnel, they are on a high alert there. They are looking for and cordon and search operations are on. That means that if these terrorists are hiding in the close vicinity of Sunjwa camp, they are being looked for. The whole area is being sanitized and the operations still continue as we speak. More details are awaited, but as of now, there is no input of a fire after this incident happened at 11, in which we are telling our viewers that one soldier has been injured, and this was a standoff firing, which means that this was not a direct and close attack on the sentry post, but this firing took place from some distance. That means a long-range weapon was used by the terrorists in this whole incident that has been reported from Sunjwa camp. But it is very important to mention out here that the Sunjwa camp is a big army camp close to Jammu city, and that is why this is a high alert sensitive zone, or not only normally but also in the wake of the upcoming elections, and also a number of terrorist incidents that have been reported, terror attacks that have escalated suddenly in past few months in the Jammu region especially. So this attack has happened at 11, where certain gunshots were heard, and one soldier has been injured as of now, and we are waiting for more details on this.
All right. Well, we're looking at a spate of terror strikes and attacks in the Jammu region. The last few months, it's really intensified. Post the elections, the general elections itself, we saw, Shivani, multiple reports of such terror strikes, particularly along the Jammu region, seemingly shifting focus from Srinagar or Kashmir towards Jammu. And now yet another strike in a brazen attempt right outside the military post. That's what's shocking.
Nabila, see, we've seen a sudden spur in the terror attack, especially in the south of Pir Panjal. That happens the Jammu region, the Riyasi area, and that is what the army has been assessing and deploying more forces in this area, because the Jammu region that happened to be a little silent for a couple of years has now seen a sudden intensification of these kind of attacks from the terrorists, while we see that Kashmir is improving. But looking at the situation and the upcoming elections also, there are fresh deployments that are happening in the Jammu region, and today at around 11 outside Sunjwa camp, this firing has taken place, in which one Jawan he's injured, he's been taken for treatment, and more search and cordon operations are going on here at Sunjwa near the Jammu city. This is a big army base, big army camp, where the deployments are always there, and the army is always on a high alert due to the sensitivity of this whole region. But yes, certainly in the Jammu region in past few months, especially after the general election results have come, there are attacks. There are attacks almost every week. We've seen that the army is also retaliating as and when these attacks are happening, and it is also enhancing its deployments in terms of reshuffling, restructuring the unit strength, the boot strength on ground in Jammu region. India Today had already reported about this, Nabila, where we told our viewers that more number of soldiers are being deployed, and they are being brought to Jammu from different locations which are now peaceful, like the Assam Rifles units have already moved in Jammu area, especially in these locations which have been witnessing the fresh spur of attacks from the terrorists. And this happens to be a gunshot incident, a terror attack that has happened today at around 11, when a sniper shot has been used, a sniper firing has been done. That means a long-range firing has been done from a standoff distance on the sentry post in Sunjwa, where one Jawan he's injured, and the search operations go on.
Right. Thanks very much for joining us on that, Shivani.